Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeView.com. I've received from a good friend of mine these smart eggs. I've seen these puzzles before. I've seen them for probably as long as I have been speed cubing, maybe not as long, but I have never used any. And I don't quite know how they work. We have 3 different ones here. They all look different. That level is maddening. This level is challenging. This level is difficult. I'm guessing that's the most difficult. I don't know which one is more difficult. This one says Maze with a Maze Cognitive Puzzle Game. 2-layer smart egg more than a puzzle. So, okay, let's turn this back. Okay, so we have levels here. Maze with a maze. Egg with an inner maze. Okay. How to play. The inner maze moves inside the outer maze. Insert the wand into the top of the egg. Guide the wand, push, pull, turn through the 2 labyrinths by using the paths and holes. You may need to move the inner labyrinth to find the right path. Oh, so okay, so it's not only just trying to get the little industrial piercing through the egg. You can move the egg as well inside of it. Free the wand at the bottom. Do not force the wand. It will move easily in the correct path. So it looks like challenging is the easiest compared to difficult and maddening. Let's open these up. Let's do the blue one first, since that one is the least difficult, maybe. So we have a nice stand here that actually holds the bar as well. These look like they might be ceramic. These are plastic. So the inner one spins and can move up and down. So it's almost like one of those 3D printed mazes that have a couple layers to it, but we have the bar as well. Okay, how is this put in here? I'm guessing straight down like that. And then we can move it. Yeah, so that's stuck there now. Oh, wait, no, I can push it through a bit like this. Oh, fascinating. Okay, I'm confused. Oh, because it'll push out on the other side. Like that. Okay, oh, I'm somewhere else now. Okay, some things I'm thinking about. When I go back and forth, there's larger openings where that can happen. So I'm thinking there's got to be a just path where I go to here. I don't think there's dead ends on purpose. So if that goes there, then that means this should get pushed through somehow. Can I push that through? I can. So now we're on this side. So now I can move that down and possibly push it through another place. Yep, right there. Let's see if I can turn this then. Nope. I'm sure this is a thrilling video right now of me turning this plastic egg. Ooh, wait. Wait. Yes, okay. And it's out. Awesome. So I was a little confused by the term smart egg. I thought it was going to be like a Bluetooth thing, which was a whole issue with trying to use my phone and all of that, which I'm kind of glad it isn't. But wow, if that was just challenging, I'm interested in what the difficult and maddening is. I'm not going to do it in this video because it's not going to be that exciting. But some of you know I am now becoming I am a math teacher. I'll be teaching 6th grade math, and I definitely feel like having some puzzles around will be fantastic, and this will be much quieter than something like that. So definitely I'll have those in my classroom. But these are actually really fun and kind of relaxing. I feel like this is more relaxing than some like other big cubes where suddenly you can make it a lot worse. I feel like you can make it worse by doing the wrong thing or messing up an alg and having to start over. And this feels like as you move through it, like I said, I don't think there's a ton of dead ends. I think it's just figuring out what the next step is. Maybe there's dead ends, but even if it is, you've gotten part way, so usually, hopefully won't have to backtrack a ton. Although maddening, I could see them adding that. If you have any of these that you feel like I might be interested in as well, let me know. Yeah, I'm curious what these ones are like, because this is a maze within a maze, and these are eggs with an inner maze. So what is different? I have to look that up then, what the difference is with that. Maybe these ones you turn, and these ones you don't turn, but it still has another maze inside of it. So let me know if you know an answer to that. But thank you very much to the person that sent these over. I really appreciate that. I'm sorry it took so long to get the videos out, but these are a lot of fun. Yeah, leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and so step by SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.